want my feet on there.
Trash.
It's my laundry!
Laundry. Trash. Getting those full body shots. Just let me do it my way. What a great day to visit Vincent in his room.
Go away!
Okay, then abort this mission. Let's go to bed. Good night, everyone.
Welcome back!
Ah.
Mis amigos. Hello, mis amigos. Hello, mis amigos, and welcome back to my channel.
Oh, it's kind of inviting.
Come in.
Oh.
I'll show you more. That's a bit too close. I hope you're doing amazing and having a great day. And today we're gonna have a look at my room. I'm gonna give you guys a bit of a room tour, and we're also, because this room is actually not finished at all.
What?
It's not, because this room isn't finished yet. This is gonna be a bit of a decorate with me, finish my room.
With
and
me.
then- with me.
With you.
With me.
Sorry, I didn't want to interrupt you.
Oh gee, oh good gee. But right now, what we're gonna do, we're actually...
Just wanted to create some excitement.
Ooh, tension. Right now we're gonna take a look at my room the way I left it after having unboxed all the moving boxes. But there are still many things left to do.
Well, I haven't unboxed anything.
So I unboxed them and I just basically stored everything, but I still want to rearrange everything. But this is the way my furniture is gonna stay, so I decided to give you a bit of a look already. And then we're gonna decorate together to, in the end, look at my room in its full and finished glory.
Okay, start. Whoa, you want to show us something? It's like talking to a child. What do you want to show me today?
I wrote a story. I didn't actually know. Right as you walk in.
A ring light.
Right as you walk in, right next to the door. Actually, on the door, I still got all my jackets that I need to put somewhere else because I hate them there. Anyway, okay, so right next to the door, we have my desk area, which currently looks like this. We got a shelf that still needs to be organized, as I said. We got some towels.
Oh, can I have one?
No, we've got some Sophia Vista. I still need to hang this. This is gonna look amazing somewhere in this room.
What the hell is this?
This is an LED light, you know? It's just like,
Ooh, but what did she have to do with it?
I guess it's by her.
She did that? She did what? That?
I just don't know why she's bigger on the cover than the actual.
Yeah.
We're gonna hang this somewhere. I don't know where. Yeah. Here we've got. Ooh, do you want me and Naomi to draw something on this for our apartment? Apparently.
Be dramatic. Go off, sis. Yeah, no wonder
this
it's
is what I
a
bought that for, actually. And this brush. Yes. It's gone now.
Where did you put it?
I'm a magician. A magician. Being my, what? Magic. This is where I do all the hard work. Where I did all the hard work once. So as you can see, this desk area above is a white wall. And we need to change that. Yes, it's really empty there. I want to put some stuff there. This is my Monstera. What's her name again?
Monica or so?
No. Either Gina, Yvonne, or no, Yvonne is that. Or Magdalena. I think that's
Magdalena. Gina?
No, Magdalena is dead, I think.
Oh. Hola Gina, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy muy bien. I don't know if this is the right place for her. Probably not, but I still have to figure the whole plant situation in this room out, because I also want to get new plants in this video with you guys. We need something above. But other than that, I'm actually okay with this desk. For now, we've got Demi, and then we've got another shelf over here. Again, needs some organizing. This is all my uni stuff, and my trash, my basura, which is always empty.
Yeah, literally there's never anything in there. He's like, my trash needs to be empty.
I've also got these frames over here. I've had them for like almost a year now. I've always had them like this, and I think they need to be filled. And maybe I can do this in a video. In a video! In a video! Not in this video. What do you think they should be filled with?
Pee.
Nice! Yeah, I don't really want to address this area because I hate it. I still have to figure this out and I just want to, you know. Yes, these are my shoes basically. I found a new
pointing tool.
My shoe situation and all my backpacks and my hats and that's it. I just want them gone actually, but you know, I'm no magician after all.
There's another plant.
Yes, this is Gina.
You sound like a maniac.
Weil sie Gina ist.
Oh, that's Magdalena.
That is
one.
Yvonne.
Doesn't get any better. And that is?
Doesn't have a name. Nameless. He's from Italy.
Who's this?
Ooh, and I also got a new friend. You ready to see my new friend?
Yes.
No!
That's fucking scary. Why would you put that here?
To scare you. I don't know. I got this from my mama. He's living his best life over there. Right here, we've got my newborn editing chair. Because this is really good to edit in.
At editing?
To edit in. Yes, I finally got myself a chair.
Sounds like a life goal.
Life goal are plants.
Yay.
More plants! I always wanted a nice armchair, but I never had the space. And now I have the space and I have the armchair.
Sounds amazing.
Right? And it's really comfortable. And we've got this. To tie in with my green wall. Spoiler alert, it's green. So over here, we've got some more plants. Look, isn't she cute? She's got hair.
Also fucking scary.
What? That's so cute.
I don't know about that. But she's got them lips though.
Yeah, I think that's so cute.
One kiss is all it takes. Fall in love with me.
Oh.
We need to be better at that.
So, I don't want this anymore. Sleep tight. Welcome to my unfortunate area.
See? He doesn't like you.
I love you. You make this area so much prettier. Ooh, a pLaNtSeXuAl hashtag.
Ew! Does that exist?
Yep. I've got this big fat TV over here that I literally never use. I use it twice a week to play PlayStation. My PlayStation is gone. I wonder where it is. Some candles to lighten the mood.
Well, you haven't lighted them yet.
Oh, I need to get lit. My aloe vera plant. You just opened my secret hiding spot. We totally need something over here, by the way, to make this shut the hell up, to make this a bit prettier over here. And also it's really empty here. And these are basically the only two spots where I can still hang stuff. We gotta do that. Is it bedtime now? Good night. I don't want to ruin it.
That looks so comfy. I love a good bedtime.
Good, I really needed that sleep. Welcome to my bed.
Hello.
Yes, this is me mirror. I like mirrors, but I'm not too vain. I just like the way, you know, they make your space look even bigger than it is.
What is this?
This is my other problem area. I found this in a moving box and I just stuffed it in there and I was like, you know, some people do that, but that's like so 2014. I'm over that. I still have to do something there. I really wanted a plant there, but there's no direct sunlight there, so I think a plant wouldn't survive there. So that's a bit of an issue. Here we've got
a very, very uncomfortable rug.
But I really, really like it. I really like it. Here are my darkest secrets. You'll never be allowed to look in there. Dog! Oh!
It's your head cream.
Yes, and I need some of this.
Well, that was quite boring.
What did you expect? Look! I've got one photo in my room.
Aww.
This is Cheyenne. Anyway, another planty situation over here. I really, you know how I said that I don't really like flowers? I like long-lasting thingies and vases, you know. So I got this, which is green. It does the job. Above my nightstand, we've got my new wall scones, and I really like it. We can also switch it on. It works! It actually works! Anyway.
May all your wishes come true.
I actually wanted a different one, but this is the best one I could get.
Okay.
I really like yours though.
Yeah, it's cute.
Over here another mirror. Right next to the mirror we've got this dresser, because I needed some more storage space. And on top I've just got a vase that I need to fill with some eucalyptus, I hope. Gotta buy that. A nice Sandalwood.
Yankee Candle.
It's not Yankee, it's H&M Home. It does the job. I only bought it for the color. It doesn't smell that good. We've got some nice hands over here. Apparently I have an obsession with hands because we've got another hand over here. I actually made this myself in school. It was supposed to hang on the wall, but I realized that this works really nicely as a jewelry stand holder thingy.
High five.
No, it's angry. Look, it's actually my hand. Do comparison. I was angry. And above this dresser, I'll eventually hang this painting up that my father did for me. I just didn't have the time to hang it yet. And here we've got a beautiful light switch.
Wow!
My best friend.
Oh my god, you are so good at decorating.
Right?
And oh my god, interior design is so your thing.
I didn't even mention my green wall yet. This is me green wall. Oh wow. This line was totally intentional. I really only wanted this up until here.
Not because our pain was not enough.
No, I actually really like it now. This currently is my lighting situation. I really want to get a new one. I just haven't found one that I like. It looks really sad in here, so I gotta get a new one.
But at least you have this beautiful light switch.
And it actually works! Wow, electricity. So I think that's it for now. And I'll see you back whenever I'll see you back. Adios! Adios! Guys, I bought some more plants! But first, we gotta hang some stuff and then the plants come last. Okay, I've changed the handles on most of these already. Perfect. Yeah. As I said, we gotta hang some stuff. We still got our good old Sophia Wisdom right here. And I've got these frames. We gotta figure out where to hang them. DIY session. As I said, these have been empty for like a year now. I thought I could fill at least one. I've got these good old Gucci bags. Not mine, by the way. And I thought, you know, DIY. We could, you know, because it kind of fits my color scheme, that I can just, you know, put this in here and then it'll look pretty. Let's hope it looks good. Huh. What do you think? This is my heartbeat. This is what Sophia Wisdom looks like. I would have actually liked to have this on the green wall, but no space. So I'm thinking of maybe putting it here and then putting one of the frames next to it. It looks good in my head. I don't know. I mean, it looks good from here. I don't know. Should we just do it? Let's see if it works. Cool. We all know that we all don't like this corner here, and I couldn't really find any decorations for now, but as I said, this whole room is a work in progress still. I'm just gonna hang this frame here for now. Make it a bit pretty at least. It'll do for now. Anyway, okay, I think we all don't really like this. I think I'm just gonna put this, which I just hung up above my desk, and put this underneath. Well, that'll do for now. So obviously, we've got a blank spot here now. We don't like that. Sammy to the rescue. I think this will work really nicely here. Yes, yeah. So we all know this is another problem area, and I think for now I'm just gonna put this vase, which, you know, I took out the string lights and I hung them above the other problem area. You know. And to be able to say that I gave this corner a try, I'm gonna just put, you know, this vase here and some eucalyptus. I tried, everyone. And I've got some more eucalyptus, because I love eucalyptus. Yes. And now, even more plant time, my favorite time. I bought this cute one. I think I'm just gonna put it right here. And now, onto the big boy. Now onto the big boys. So I also got this plant holder thingy-mabob you know. After, I don't know, half an hour, we finally figured out the plant situation. So this is how it looks here now. I've got Yvonne right here, and I've got the other plant right here. And then I've got my cactus over here. And actually about this corner, remember how I had my backpacks, my shoes, and my hats over there and I really hated it? Well, now I've got my hats in this basket thingy. And then in the spirit of form of a function, which I'm all about, I've got my shoes tucked away nicely so that no one would know. And then my backpacks, you know, form of a function. Ow! I've got them behind this now. I like it like this now. I think this completes my room tour, decorate with me for now. I'm sure that my room is gonna change a lot during the next couple of months, but for now I'm satisfied with my room, and tell me what you think of it. And I wanna thank you so much for watching. Nos vemos la próxima vez. I think that's it.
Bye!